Hey guys, how are you? So this is the beautiful 2020 Dodge Ram pickup truck that I did the train horn. We do the train horn right now. I'm doing a live video right now. And you see, it's down there. You can't even tell the tank. Everything's in there. Next to the gas check. I thought you were going to turn it out when I was down there.
Hey, they showed them the remote, the wireless remote.
Oh, so he's got a wireless remote. Check it out. It will work when you got the car on or no?
I guess so.
Oh. And how about the switch? The switch. Let's show you the switch where we put it right there. You can see it. Let it stay. See, the switch is right there. Put it right there.
Come on, leave it on the switch.
Good, good.
I just had it. Oh, here it is.
Yo, it's nicer than the other one, right?
Way
Much.
better, yeah.
I'm glad I did it like that, bro. Thank you very much. I'm gonna take a look at the front of the car. See how beautiful it is. It's a beautiful Dodge Ram, 2020 Limited. Thank you.